Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit a PDF for free. So first off, when you first open a PDF in any PC or Windows file, it'll automatically open it with Internet Explorer. And with Internet Explorer, you can actually edit this file. So I can draw, right? I can draw something like this. I can draw with this. And I could save this and it'll be editing with PDF, right? There's also another method you can do. You can use Word. So if I go to open, and I go to my PDF file, give me a second. And this is me, right? This is me opening the file. And it'll say Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, right? It'll say this may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained a lot of graphics. Let's click on OK. And if your PDF file is really simple, like the one I have here, where it just says, I really want to edit this PDF file, then Word will have no problem editing it, right? So it'll just be like a normal Word document. If you have a lot of graphics or pictures on your PDF, I'm going to show you another tool that could help you with this. Go to Google and then search up I Love PDF. This is a free website where you can use to update your or edit your PDF. So go to I Love PDF. You get code from this official website, or if you don't have time, just go I Love PDF and then just say editor, and it'll have this website here, edit PDF. Just click on this, select your PDF file. I've uploaded my PDF file, and there you go. You can see we can edit this PDF file now. I can add text to it, so I can add text like, "Hi, this PDF has been edited," something like this, right? I can also draw on it if I like. Ooh, and then I'm gonna click on Edit PDF. Give it a second to load. Download PDF. Let's open it. And now we have our PDF file edited just like this. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.